Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School SDSTPS AP Gen Code Neltor. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 2.4 problems related to chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. Factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then the first one, x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0. Second one, it converts if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a equal to 0. Proof. By remainder theorem, p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus p of a. The first one, consider proposition if p of a equal to 0, then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus 0. Since p of a value is 0, that is called x minus a into q of x, which shows that x minus a is a factor of p of x. Hence proved. Second one, consider proposition 2. Since x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x for some polynomial q of x. Therefore, p of a, that means x place substitute a is equal a minus a into q of a, that is called a minus a means 0, 0 into q of a 0. Hence p of a equal to 0 when x minus a is a factor of p of x. Next we are going to discuss exercise 2.4 problems. First question, determine which of the following polynomials have x plus 1 as a factor. In this Roman, I will explain fourth question and the remaining questions are homework. Fourth question, x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Solution. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Here x place substitute minus 1. Since here x plus 1 is a factor, that means 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So x place substitute minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube minus bracket minus 1 whole square minus bracket 3 minus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3. That is called minus 1 whole cube means minus 1, minus 1 whole square means plus 1 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, minus into minus root 3 plus root 3, root 3 into minus 1 minus root 3 plus root 3. Here cancel plus root 3 and minus root 3, and minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is equal 1, but it is not equal to 0. So by the factor theorem, x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3, since we did not get 0 as remainder. Next question, use factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x in each of the following cases. In this Roman, I will explain fifth question and remaining are homework. Question number 5. F of x is equal to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18. Solution for fifth question. The 0 of the linear polynomial of g of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is equal minus 3 by 2. Since 2x plus 3 is equal 0, that implies 2x is equal, the plus 3 move to the right side minus 3. Then the 2 move to the right side, x is equal minus 3 by 2. Therefore, f of minus 3 by 2, that means in x place substitute minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18. that is equal 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube means minus 27 by 8 plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4 minus 33 3s are 99 by 2 plus 18. Here cancel 4 1s are 4 2s are, that is equal minus 27 by 2 plus 4 1s are 4 5s are 5 9s are 45 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. Here LCM of 2 and 2 is 2 minus 27 plus 45 2s are 90 minus 99 18 2s are 36, that is equal 90 plus 36 126 minus 27 minus 99 minus 126 by 2, that is equal 126 minus 126 is equal to 0 by 2, that is equal 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, g of x is a factor of f of x because here remainder is 0. Next question, show that x minus 2 comma x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Solution, let f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. The zero of the linear polynomial x minus 2 is 2. Since x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal, the minus 2 move to the right side, it becomes plus 2. Therefore, f of 2. Here x place substitute 2, that is equal 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. That is equal 2 cube means 8 minus 3 into 2 square means 4 minus 10 2s are 20 plus 24. That is equal 8 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 20 plus 24. That is equal 8 plus 24 32 minus 12 minus 20 minus 32. That is equal 32 minus 32 0. The 0 of the linear polynomial x plus 3 is minus 3. That is x plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal, the plus 3 move to the right side, it becomes minus 3. Therefore, f of minus 3 is equal to, here x place substitute minus 3, that is minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 10 into minus 3 plus 24. That is equal minus 3 cube means minus 27 minus 3 into minus 3 whole square means 9 minus 10 into minus 3 plus 30 plus 24. That is equal minus 27 3 9s are 27 plus 30 plus 24. Next step, minus 20 minus 27 minus 54 plus 30 plus 24 plus 54. That is equal 54 minus 54 0. The 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 4 is 4. Since x minus 4 is equal 0, that implies x is equal plus 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 10 into 4 plus 24. That is equal 4 cube means 64 minus 3 into 4 square means 16 minus 10 into 4 40 plus 24. That is equal 64 minus 3 16 48 minus 40 plus 24. That is equal 64 plus 24 88 minus 48 minus 40 minus 88. That is equal 0. By factor theorem, x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Since above all cases, the remainder is a 0. Next question, if both x2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, show that p is equal to r. Solution, let f of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. The 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 2 is 2. Since x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal, the minus 2 move to the right side, it becomes plus 2. Now x place substitute 2. That is f of 2 is equal p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r. That is equal 2 square means 4, 4 into p, 4p plus 5 2s are 10 plus r. Given x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Therefore, remainder is 0. 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. 4p plus r, that is equal minus 10. It is a equation 1. The 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Since x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal, the minus 1 by 2 move to the right side, it becomes plus 1 by 2. Now x place substitute 1 by 2. That is f of 1 by 2 is equal to p into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r. That implies p into 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 5 into 1 by 2, 5 by 2 plus r. That is equal p into 1 by 4 means p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r. Given x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of f of x. Therefore, remainder is 0. P by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r is equal to 0. Here LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. P plus in 4 is divisible by 2, we get 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 into r, 4r is equal to 0. P plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 4 into 0, 0. That implies p plus 4r is equal to, the plus 10 move to the right side, it becomes minus 10. It is a equation 2. From 1 and 2, RHS are equal. So 4p plus r is equal to p plus 4r. That implies 4p, the plus p move to the left side, it becomes minus p is equal to 4r. The plus r move to the right side, it becomes minus r. Next step, 4p minus p is equal 3p is equal 4r minus r, 3r. That implies cancel 3 on both sides, we will get p is equal to r. Question, if x square minus 1 is a factor of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal to 0. Solution, f of x is equal x power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here x square minus 1 is a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, x square minus 1, we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. According to a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a means x and b means 1. Next step, x plus 1 and x minus 1 are the factors of f of x. Therefore, the 0 of the linear polynomial x plus 1 is minus 1. Since x plus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to minus 1. Now, x place substitute minus 1. That implies f of minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 whole power 4 plus b into minus 1 whole cube plus c into minus 1 whole square plus d into minus 1 plus e. That implies a into minus 1 whole power 4 means plus 1 plus b into minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 plus c into minus 1 whole square means plus 1 minus d plus e. This is called a into 1 a, b into minus 1 minus b plus c into 1 c minus d plus c. X plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Therefore, remainder is 0. That implies a minus b plus c minus d plus c is equal to 0. That implies a plus c plus c, that is equal minus b and minus d transposing to the right side of the equation. It becomes b plus d. It is say equation 1. The 0 of the linear polynomial x minus 1 is 1. Since x minus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal, the minus 1 move to the right side, it becomes plus 1. Now x place substitute 1, that is f of 1 is equal to a into 1 power 4 plus b into 1 cube plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e. That is equal a into 1 power 4 means 1 into a plus b, 1 cube means 1 into b plus 1 square means 1 into c plus d1 ja d plus e. Here x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, so remainder is 0. That implies a plus b plus d plus e is equal to 0. It is say equation 2. From 1 and 2, a plus c plus e plus b plus d is equal to 0. It is from 2. That implies instead of a plus c plus e plus, we can substitute b plus d. Since from 1 plus b plus d, that is equal to 0. Here on left side add the like terms, b plus b 2b plus d plus d 2d, and separate the 2. That implies 2 into b plus d is equal to 0. Next step, b plus d is equal to transposing 2 on the right side of the equation. It becomes 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. So here b plus d value is 0, then a plus c also 0, because from 1 a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. Home assignment is copy the exercise 2.4 problems in CW. Thank you.